Hey, what up? It's Matt from Tear Pump. Today we're working with the rechargeable adjustable length pump, or the TREP04 or P04L. And the L is important. We're going to dive into that later on in the segment, but right now we're going to open up what's in the box. So let's check this stuff out real quick. So we got the box, nice packaging. Let's pull this bad boy out, all nice and sealed up with instructions right there. I know some people don't like them, but hey, at least they come in the box. Let's take the packaging off. Okay, you got your little caution label that tells you how the locking mechanism works. So that's the nice thing about this right here. And then bada boom, bada bing, open and close. And so this right here just kind of goes through everything that, you know, how the handle works. So you may want to check that out. So we'll pull that off. Then we've got the discharge tube, which is down here, nice good connection. And then let's start getting into the pump style of it. So your on-off switch is here, and these do come with 30%, and I do recommend charging to 100 before using it. That's just my tip. But what's nice is if you need it in a pinch, you can hear the pump comes already pre-charged. So now we're going to be going into the telescopic suction tube. So here's the tube right here, and this is the tightening nut. So you loosen the nut like so, and then this will allow you to telescope the pump out. Or if you have a shorter gas can, or you're using like a 5-gallon or a 2-gallon jug, you can telescope the pump in. And then once you get it to the height you need, just lock down the pump and then you're ready to go. It does come with handle holder, which you just slide this bad boy in here. Nice little holder for it, keeps it all nice and safe for you. And then it's got this cool little hook, so if you need it to hook on something, like you can hook it on your tool case or your cart, you can stick it right here on the counter like this, you know what I mean? So that's the best part about that hook. So now we're gonna go into using the pump with the style gas can that you're gonna be using. Here we go. I have a gas can. It's got a little window cut out. You can kind of see, let me get a little close. I don't know, see the hole right there? And then there's the bottom of the tank. So there's a little bit of insight on the P04. Let's check out the P04L. We have the P04L box right here. Like it says on the box, 10 feet of extra discharge hose. Let's open up and check it out. Opening up the box, same type of packaging, same colors, same style box, which is pretty cool. Everything's so far the same. And I believe the way it works, the way the switches work and all of that, it's all the same. It's just the actual thing that has changed is the length of the discharge hose. So let's check it out. So it does come with instructions, again, for everyone that loves instructions. Now we're gonna take out the P04L. Got the discharge hose. So here's the packaging. They got it all tied up with the twist tie. Let's undo the twist tie. Whoa, there we go. So, 10 feet of hose coming at you. Look at all this. This is really cool. We're here at the gas station. We're gonna start filling everything up. We got gas right here. Bada boom, bada bing. Gas cans down there. And we're gonna start filling this up with gas. All right guys, just got back from the gas station. Got some gas. Got the pump. Let's pump some gas. So that concludes the video on the rechargeable adjustable lengthening pump, the TREP04, the P04L. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more.